Welcome once again to N.yahaya online math class. In today's video, we are going to be discussing on joint variation. Joint variation is one of the types of variation that exists between three variables, where one variable depends on the two variables. For example, the distance of the payment for an excursion depends on the number of students going for the excursion and the distance of the excursion. This is an example of joint variation. So here we have a worked example that we are going to solve right now. Okay, the question says the variable x is jointly varies with y and z. When y is 4, z is 6, and x equal to 16. So what is the value of x when y is 4? Sorry, when y is 8 and z is 12. So first of all, we transform this statement into mathematical statement. That is to say, x varies jointly with y and z. That is how to transform it. So the next thing, we transform or we change the sign of proportion into equality sign, but we introduce a constant k. So x is now equal to k times y, then times z, because it's multiplication between them. So from here, we now substitute in the values of x, y, and z. So our x is 16. So now see 16 is equal to, this k is constant, we are looking for it. So times y. The y is now 4 times z. Z is 6. So next thing is to say 16 is equal to, we multiply this. 4 times 6 then times k. 4 times 6 will give us 24. 24 times k will give us 24k. So we are looking for the value of k. We divide through by 24. Like this. Next thing is to cancel this 24 because they will go as 1. So k is now equal to, so we are going to think of the number that divide 16 and divide 24 at the same time. And that number is 4. So 4 here is 4. 4 here and 24 is 6 times. So we are now having 4 over 6. So 4 over 6 is the value of k. The next thing is to go back here and substitute in the value of k. So we now say x is equal to, since our k is now 24 and 4 over 6, so now say 4 over 6 times y times z, times y then times z. So this is what we call the formula connecting x, y, and z. In case if you are asked to find the formula connecting the three variables, this is how to get the formula. So the next thing, we use the formula to find the value of x using these values. So now say x is equal to 4 over 6 is constant, so times y, then y is 8, so 8 times z, z is 12, so we put 12 here. The next thing is to reduce our work. So the number that will divide 6 and divide 8 is 2, so 2 here is 3, 2 here into 8 is 4. So the next thing is to go ahead, we'll cancel this 3 here, 1, 3 here in 12 will enter 4 times as well, so 4. So our x is now equal to 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16. 16 times 4 will give us 64. So therefore, the value of x is now 64. So that is what I have for you for today. But don't forget, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.